Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go! And the big Twoloosebricks shout-out goes to JWD Lego Fun. Go check them out and show them some love. Hey there everybody, and welcome to Twoloosebricks. And I am here, yes, I got a mask on. And I am here with another quick, this is what I found at Walmart today haul. So, I was at one of my local Walmarts, and I found a new Harry Potter poly bag with the new owl in it. Strictly bought it for the owl. Have everything else. So really just wanted it for the owl. That's going to be awesome to put him in the Great Hall. Because it's the owl that's delivering the Nimbus 2000 to Harry. And also, this was out on the shelf today. The Mandalorian and the Child Brickheads. Don't like brickheads. Hate them actually. But I love the Mandalorian. And I love the Baby Yoda. Or is it the child? Or is Yoda's child? Who knows? Maybe we'll find out sometime. Who knows? Who knows really what it is? It's a creature that looks like a Baby Yoda. All in all, it's pretty cool. So it's Star Wars, so I got it because I love the Mandalorians. And these are showing up at the Walmarts now. Also at the Walmarts is the new Mega Block stuff. So all the new Halo stuff is coming out bit by bit. Finally here in Canada, someone at Mattel got off their friggin' ass and decided to listen to all the complaints they were getting about their distribution up here in Canada. So maybe we're taking a turn for the good and we're getting stuff back now. They realigned the shelves at Walmart. It was too busy to get any film of it. They were actually working at it today. So one side was complete Lego. The other side of the aisle was half of Mega Constructs and like Connects and that kind of stuff. And then Walmart had their own brand over the next aisle, which took over the Mega Block section or the Mega Construct section a while back when there was no Mega Constructs or blocks in Walmart because there was no shelf space. And you know, rumor had it that Lego was buying up all the shelf space so that Mega couldn't get anything in there. Now, if that was true or not, I don't know. Who knows? Politics of business and retail. Anyway, that's my small haul for today. My comments about Walmart getting the new stuff in. I'm so happy that they're getting the Mega Constructs stuff back in and that we will be able to get our Halo stuff here in Canada again. So, it's slowly seeping in. If we're seeing the new poly bags from Harry Potter showing up at Walmart, the new sets should be showing up soon as well. Keep an eye out. Things are coming in this week. There was absolutely no clearance. There don't seem to be any clearance of anything at our Walmarts anymore. If it is, it's like $5 or $10 off a $100 set, so it's still not worth it. It has to be at least 50 to 55, 60% off for it to be worth it here. So that's just it. That's what's going on in the realm of things here at our local Walmarts. Happy to report that. Remember to take care, stay safe, wear a mask if you're out in public. Even if you don't have this corona thing, you don't want to catch it, you don't want to spread it. It's only a mask. It's not going to hurt you. See you soon. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.